Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by disconnecting the battery negative terminal to avoid accidental motor activation. This keeps you safe and protects electronics. Once done, lower the window fully so you can access regulator bolts and clips. Remove visible screws at the inner handle and armrest. Use a plastic pry tool to pop trim, work the edges gently to avoid breaking clips. Make sure to stash fasteners in a container, because keeping parts organized saves time later. Now you have the panel off and clear access to the lock assembly. You'll now inspect the actuator and linkages to find the fault. First, visually trace the metal rods from the handle to the latch. Bent or disconnected rods are common. If the actuator seems dead, apply a 12V momentary jumper to its connector to confirm operation. This isolates electrical from mechanical failure. Once identified, unclip the retaining pins, straighten or replace the rod, and reseat clips firmly. Apply light lithium grease to pivots. Doing this ensures the lock moves freely and prevents future sticking. You finish by reconnecting the actuator harness and then testing lock and unlock cycles manually and with the key fob. Make sure the latch fully engages and the door opens smoothly. Once tests pass, reposition the door panel, press clips in, and tighten screws. Reconnect the battery last. If the mechanism binds, recheck rod alignment and lubrication. If problems persist, inspect the fuse, try a replacement actuator, or scan for body control module errors. Those steps pinpoint electrical faults that mimic mechanical failures.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.